Hi students, now let us see a program on static variable. So what is the static variable? Say this is the one of the type of storage class available in C. Okay, and this static is a keyword. So just before the variable name, when you declare any variable, you write this keyword static, like here in this function. Okay, say before the variable I have written here a keyword called static. Okay, so along with this static, we have few other storage classes, three more storage classes in C, like auto, extend, and register. So in this program, we are going to see what is the static variable, and in the remaining programs, we will see about these three storage classes. Okay, see here, I am writing one function here, static test. This is my user defined function. Okay, so whenever I call this function first time, what happens? It goes to its definition. Then, so in this static test function, I declared two variables. One is a variable I of type static, and the second variable is the X. Okay, and the default storage class, okay, for local variables is auto. Means even you don't write the keyword like auto before the variable name, it takes it as a auto variable. Okay, fine. So this is the auto variable and I is a static variable. Let's see the difference between these two. So whenever I call this static function first time, what is the value of I? So here it prints the static variable I value as the 5. Next, auto variable x value as the 5. Okay, then after that I am increasing the I value by 1. Nothing but I value become, now here it is 6, and the x value become also 6 here. Okay, and I am calling that static function 2 more times here. Okay, here I am calling the static function 2 more times. So whenever I call the static function second time, what happens? When this static test function next time, this static variable is initialized only one time in the memory, okay, in the program. So it doesn't initialize this I with the 5 again. So whatever the value is there, this 6 will be taken. Okay, so it prints the I value as the 6 only. But whereas this auto variable is initialized every time whenever you call that function. So x value printed again here 5 only, even after the modification also. Now I plus plus, now I value become here 7 and the x value become here 6. Again I call the third time. Whenever I call the third time, this doesn't initialize the again, okay, but x initializes to 5. Okay, so now it prints the I value as the 7, whereas the x value is as 5 only. Means auto variable is initialized whenever you call the function again, but whereas the static variable is initialized only one time in the program, and the value of that variable is retained throughout the that function calls. Even you call n number of the times the same function, the previous value will be taken. This is the difference between a static variable and a auto variable. Just run and check it. See here, I value is being changed here 5, 6, 7, whereas the value of the variable x is constant. Okay. So this is the example on the static variable.